What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. Welcome to the Tundra Dude 34 YouTube channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know every time I put up a video and or a live stream. We would love to have you involved in all of them. All right, today, ladies and gentlemen, I received a package in the mail, and this package is from a place that I talk to you guys about a lot. It's called Toyota Outfitters, all right? It has all of the Toyota, TRD, and Toyota racing apparel you could ever want. It's the official place to get all of that stuff, and I have a promo code there. So I figured today I would show you some stuff that I got from there and just give you an idea of some of the things that they offer. Down below in the description, I will leave the link to the website. And you will also see, and I will talk about many times through this video, Tundra Dude, all capitals, one word. Tundra Dude saves you 25% site-wide. So I figured instead of just opening the box, I would do it with you, again, to show you some gear, and also let you know that that promo code is going away in March, all right? The way this promo code came about, I did a video back in, I don't even know, maybe August, of opening up some of the variety packs that they offer. They're like surprise packs. You pay a certain amount of money, you don't know what's coming to you, you open the boxes up, and you get all sorts of gear. So I did a video ordering 2 of those boxes and showing you what you got in each of them, if it's the same, different, all that stuff. And then Toyota Outfitters reached out to me because they saw the video and they wanted to offer you guys that promo code. So it was supposed to go from, I think it was early September until December, but they extended it to March. So we have 2-3 more weeks left for you to use this promo code. 25% off is massive savings. And it's all about just saving you guys money. That's literally all the promo code is. Every once in a while I buy some stuff from there. And you guys always ask in the videos, where do you get all this TRD and Toyota stuff, that you wear in all of them. And it's always from Toyota Outfitters. It's the only place to go. So I didn't buy any hats in this box. To be honest with you, not quite sure. I don't remember what I got. So it'll be fun to open this up with you. But I didn't buy any hats, but I wanted to show you some of the hats that they offer that I've had over time. Let's get up close there. It's a TRD hat. There's plenty of hats on there. It's not just these few. Go on the website and just go down. They have winter hats, everything, Toyota Racing. This is a popular one. You guys always ask about this one, the Tundra one. Just says Tundra, real nice. Everybody likes that. This is a classic for me. I wear it all the time. Still available on the website. It says TRD, if you can see that. And one of my newer hats, and this is just a few of the many, many that I have. It says Toyota Racing. It's a black on black look, which I really like. This one has the Toyota logo on it, and the hat I'm wearing right now is obviously Toyota. This is all from that website, so you can have all this stuff. I just want you guys to take advantage of the promo code before it goes away. So let's pop open the box, and we will see what we have in here. Some shirts. I think I ordered a coat or something. I can't remember. It's been a while. But yeah, I figured, like I said, just wanted to show you guys some of the offerings they have there. There's plenty more on the website other than this, don't forget, so feel free to head on over there. All right, number 1. Okay, yes, I will open up each thing and show you. This is a red Toyota t-shirt. It's basic to the point, but I love it. It lets you know. Good shot right there. Just has the logo. Boom, plain, there's nothing on the back. I'm not one for shirts with a lot of stuff on them most of the time. I'm a NASCAR fan, and a lot of that stuff is loud with a lot going on. But I like a clean-looking shirt. Number 2, oh, this is a cool one. So most of this stuff is the new stuff that's available on the website. They have a new arrivals section. This is all in there. Take the time to drop down, open up every tab. I got this, obviously because it says TRD Pro, and it's in Army Green, so it looks pretty good. TRD Pro, see? Again, straight to the point, nothing on the back. We like. That's 2. What did I get this time? Oh, this is cool. I remember this. I kind of just went onto the website and started to click on a bunch of things. You can ask my wife. 99% of my clothes are either the Tundra Dude stuff that I have in my Teespring or stuff from Toyota Outfitters. There's another red one. There you go. Get a good shot of that. You can't read what it says the original, established 1937. Nice shirt there. Ooh, this is nice. Yes. This is the coat. The whole point of me doing this order is I wanted a better coat for golf. So I figured, why not Toyota Outfitters, man? I wanted to say Toyota or TRD. So this is going to be real neat. Yep. That's nice, right? Here, I'll bring this really up to the camera for you. Very clean. Just says TRD on it. There's a pocket up front. Good winter coat. It's not overly bulk, which is very important when you're doing things like golf, of course. Really, really nice coat here. Yep. Big fan. Totally like it. Nothing on the back or anything like that. Just straight to the point, running out of room because I got so much stuff here. Oh yeah, this was my favorite one that I found that day when I was looking at the t-shirts. Really cool here. Original Toyota Racing, established 1954, and it has the Toyota logo on the arm. Pretty cool, right? There's the logo on the arm if you could see that. Running out of room here with all the stuff. Put this back in here. Put this back in here. And it looks like last but not least, oh yeah, so this was another thing I wanted to get for the colder months in golf. Pretty cool. I think it's awesome because it says TRD Pro. Check that out. TRD Pro. It's a North Face, so on the back and arm it says North Face. Really, really cool. So that is what I ordered. But like I said, I really wanted to just show you guys what was up, what I had going on here. This promo code, it benefits you. I just want to give you guys savings to get all this clothing and stuff. You would be shocked if you knew how many messages I get about all this Toyota apparel that I wear. Where'd you get that from? Can I get it? Do you get it special to you? No. Toyota Outfitters is the website. They also, I don't know if this, yeah, it's in the shot. They sell things like this too. This is like one of those, I don't know if you're like jogging and stuff, the Keep Cool towels, like the new age towels that you wet and put on your neck and stuff like that. They have everything you could think of as far as gear and apparel. They have tailgating gear. They have thermoses. They have mugs. They have everything. Water bottles. Anything you could ever want that says Toyota, TRD, or Toyota Racing. They even have some Team USA stuff from the Olympics because Toyota is the sponsor of Team USA. So they got a number of things there. But like I said, instead of just opening up the box, I didn't plan to make a video today. This is just kind of an extra one where I wanted to show you some of the things when the box comes in and really push that promo code to you before it goes away, because 25% is really big savings on all this official Toyota gear. They even have a clearance section that is really good. I think this one was from the clearance section. There might have been two of them. This is the one that just says Toyota on the front. And there's some great prices in the clearance. That plus the 25% off is amazing. And don't forget, I gotta shout this out too, because Sparks Parts has been with me since 2017, and they're fantastic. Sparks Parts is for all your Toyota and TRD parts for your vehicle. If you're a Tundra owner, obviously, if you are, you're watching this channel, so you probably are. They sell things like cold air intakes, suspensions, TRD wheels, stuff like that. But they also sell the stuff that if you get into an accident, a fender, a front end cap, a handle for your door, a mirror cap. You could get everything body color there. Now on Sparks Parts, the promo code is TundraDude34, and that saves you 5% site-wide. That is here forever. So that is the one to go to if you need all your parts. This one we only have for a couple more weeks. So one more time, like I said, it will be down in the description, the link to use and the promo code so you don't forget. It's Toyota Outfitters is the website. The promo code is one word, all capital, TundraDude. And it saves you 25% on all this cool gear right here. So let me know what you think, and let me know if you use the promo code. It seems like a lot of you guys have been using it. I always ask to see, if it's worth it for me to even have a promo code. We must have did really good in those first few months because they gave us an extension. So we might even get another extension. I don't know. But I want to make sure you guys act fast and save you all the money I possibly can before it goes away. So just a little unboxing, with a little savings for you guys. So I appreciate you guys watching. I'll be back with another video tomorrow. So stay tuned till then. I guess I'll put up a couple playlists at the end of this video. The first one we're going to put up is the dealership walks that we do on Sunday. We just go look at all the different Toyota vehicles. Sometimes we go to other dealerships that aren't Toyota, but we usually keep it to the Tundra and some of the half-ton competitors out there. So go check out those videos. And the other one I'll put up is of the 2020 TRD Pro Army Green Tundra that I have. Every video I've made of that truck since I got it back last March. We're almost to a year, and there will be a year ownership update. We'll do all those videos down the line. But for now, once again, Toyota Outfitters, TundraDude is the promo code, and it saves you 25%. Let me know if you use it. Let me know what you're interested in on the website, and I hope I helped you save a little bit of money. Take care, be well, talk to you tomorrow.